My name is Mantlako Sebaka. I am the founder and the owner of Mabulela Tabeng, which is a local establishment around Atok area. We are here today at Mabulela Happy Star Sports Ground. We had started a top 16 tournament which started on the 26th of November and 27th right up to yesterday, which was the 2nd of November. And today we are here is the finals. Out of the top 16 clubs that have played today, we've got the top 2 clubs that are still playing as we speak. Banareng FC playing against Bogalatadi Black Movers. So we are looking forward to a humdinger of a final here at Mabulela Happy Stars Sport Grounds. Well, initially when we started this tournament, I came across the young people who are playing in this ground, and one of the things that we discussed was to say how then do we begin to improve their involvement in football. And that's how it has started. So today we are here, we've got our finals, we've had ups and downs. When we started with this tournament, really a problem, a natural disaster where we had one of our games postponed, and that game was played yesterday, and one of the teams that played in that postponed match is in the finals today. So some of the challenges that we came across is just a lack of sponsorship to encourage these young people who are gathered here. And members of the communities here, they are also finding it interesting because they love local football. As you can see throughout here, we also have people who came here who are selling their wares, they are selling food for the fans who have gathered here. So essentially what we are seeing here is as a result of consistent planning from our side and ensuring that everybody else gets to play their role. So what does the future hold? Maybe that's the question that you want to ask. The future in this case, we are looking forward to a top 32 match that will be played in this sport ground, and we are also looking forward to possibility of having sponsors in this case. So we're looking forward to a well-sponsored tournament somewhere in January 2025, so that we can then keep on encouraging young people to showcase their skills here as such. Yeah.